PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Monday, the 9th day of March. James Spann here. Warm is the word, but the weather will change as the week rolls along. And could we have another cold core upper low deal early next week? Let's look at the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from the Birmingham Skycam. That's the view looking south at the top of the Daniel Building. Sky mostly cloudy. We've seen a few decent intervals of sunshine today. Up in the Tennessee Valley, there's a look at the mighty Tennessee River, as seen from the Skycam up in Decatur. Again, the sky cloudy there. And look at the fog, dense sea fog down at Gulf Shores rolling in this afternoon. That's the view there coming from the top of the Phoenix All Suite. So moisture definitely rolling northward, no doubt about that. Well, there's a look at the water vapor satellite view this afternoon. Got the cold trough developing out to the west, subtropical jet stream pushing across the plain states, and could be some active convection in the clashing air mass zone up there today, as you'll see in a moment, but no clashing air masses around here. We are very mild. Warm may be a better word. Those are 1 o'clock observations. Readings well up in the 70s. See a lot of folks at 77, and no doubt some locations will likely be near 80 today. And I think a better chance we'll touch 80 tomorrow. And we'll take a look at the convective outlook for the rest of the day and tonight. A slight risk of severe weather from the western part of Texas, San Angelo, back up toward Wichita Falls, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Kansas City, and St. Louis. Tomorrow, the slight risk area is well to the northwest of here. And we could see strong to severe storms from Little Rock up to near Chicago. And beyond that, that's it. We don't expect any severe weather here for the next 7 to 10 days, which is rather odd for March. But some decent rain a possibility. This is the QPF map. This is the expected rain around the nation for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. Big bullseye over northeastern Texas, out there around Tyler and Longview. 4.8 inches there. And around here, the amounts are considerably lighter, suggesting about 1/2 inch for the Interstate 20 corridor and amounts lighter to the south. In fact, no rain down there in the Alabama Gulf Coast in extreme South Alabama. So we'll see how this plays out. Let's look at modeling. This is tomorrow at noon off the 12Z GFS, warm 588 ridge over Florida. Should be a very warm day. We're expecting highs at or just over 80 tomorrow, but a cold trough digs down across the plain states. The surface low and the air mass zone there, the contrasting air masses, is north of Kansas City. Looks like a good snowstorm for the Dakotas and maybe some strong to severe storms for areas to the south and east of that low. Wednesday, that low pulls way up into Canada. The upper support lifts away and the cold front eases in here. But it stops. No doubt we need to mention some chance of showers on Wednesday, but certainly looks like it could be. The better shower opportunities Wednesday will stay from Birmingham north. Thursday, the front's hanging around, but not much showing up in terms of rain there. And I do think Thursday will be cooler, highs dropping into the mid to upper 50s, maybe some light rain, but looks like not much, and kind of the same deal on Friday. Cool, cloudy, maybe a little light rain in spots, but not a whole lot there, and certainly no thunderstorms because the air is cool and stable. Saturday starting off the weekend, trough out there in western Texas, and that's going to help to generate an increase in rain with a wave on the front. And we'll go to Sunday. That thing is rotating through the Tennessee Valley, and that looks awfully wet. It could be the best rain with that feature will come late Saturday night, into Sunday morning. We'll see. In fact, that might be the biggest rain of the whole event, but it looks like there will be some chance of rain, really, all the way from Wednesday through Sunday on a daily basis. And again, the latest data suggesting rain will be pretty light Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe a good rain there Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday morning. And then Monday of next week, look here. Cold core upper low. Are you kidding me? Developing up to the northwest. That looks snowy for Little Rock, Arkansas, and parts of southern Missouri. And then on Tuesday, a big cold trough forms over the east. Look at Tuesday morning at 6 o'clock. Some suggestion of snow deep into Alabama, if that's right. Here's a look at midday Tuesday. The low begins to lift out of here. Now, look, there's not much skill in dealing with these, especially days in advance, and this might be totally off the run on the next run here, off the board. But just be aware, some hint of a cold core upper low and much colder air early next week. And that means the first half of the week could be pretty chilly. There's a look at Wednesday the 18th, cool and dry. And that's spring break week for a lot of people. So, unfortunately, instead of this nice warm weather, it looks pretty chilly early next week with a slow moderating trend. Into the forecast on March the 24th. Nothing too exciting there, but hey, this is March. Awfully hard to nail down specifics a few days in advance, much less 16 days in advance. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.